Okay guys, hi, this is Weltha. Okay guys, this is another revamped video because when I recorded this video, it was back when I didn't understand anything about video editing or anything. So I just wanted to revamp it and just do it a little better, okay? So what I'm doing is I season up the fish and then I dip the fish in the cornmeal, you guys, and then I fried it. And I made sure that it was golden brown on each side so that it's really crispy and delicious. And I made some fries with it. Some not curly, but the crinkle fries. Okay, and now the fish is almost done. So I'm just flipping it one more time. And now I'm taking it out of the skillet. And the spices I used was the onions powder and garlic powder, guys, and some black pepper and just a tinge of salt. And there you have it. It's all done. Don't that look delicious? Oh my God, I love some fried fish. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you liked my revamped video. I just tried to make it a little better. Thank you.